Miss Ariana. Today we are going to use some cupcake holders, markers, glue, different color paper, and some googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you could always use some white paper and a pen to make some. And we're going to make a fish scene. Let's get started. So to make the bodies of this fish, we're going to use cupcake holders that are smushed down. So this is how we do it. Just turn it upside down, poof it out a little bit, and press it down. And we're going to glue those down, but not yet. Next, take some colored paper and cut out triangles that'll be their tails. So you could either do it like this, or you could put the tail on top, whatever way you like best. So that'll go like that. This one will do maybe going this way. And this guy, we can do like that. And glue them all down to your paper. So let's go ahead and get everything glued. Make sure you get glue around the edges so they don't pop back up. I glued the tail down. There we go. So now we got our 3 fish. And you can make as many fish as will fit on your paper. Then, if you have a googly eye, you can glue an eye down. Or you could draw an eye. I'm going to give her some eyelashes and a smile. I could draw on the tail. Let's see about this guy. Give him a googly eye. How do fish breathe underwater? They have little bubbles coming up. He's a very serious fish. Then you could take markers or tissue paper or something and you can make some plants floating around and finish the scene any way you want. This guy needs some air bubbles. So have fun using cupcakes to make little fishies. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what do I see? I hope no one falls for it. A fish hook. Have fun, guys.